Well, okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will. Yeah, that's good. So today we will have a review, Unit 1, about food, and the skills that we need is reading. And then after reading, we have writing. So in reading skill, we have using background knowledge and reading news item, and for the writing, identifying text type and the purpose. So last week we have discussed about activity 1 and warming up. So in warming up, we discuss the following question. So you can rank these into your top 3 tastiest food. Share your ranking to the class. So we have Japanese, Indonesian, Thailand, American, Chinese, and Italian. And what do you think of Japanese food? And then what famous Japanese dishes do you know? So the tastiest food from Japan, we have apa kemarin? Ramen, and then sushi, and apa kemarin? Lupa ya. Okay, so we continue aja ke reading activities. Yeah, okay. For the exercise will be presented by the group 1, yeah. So in this activities, reading activity, we have gap fills, yeah. So number 1 up to number 11 will be answered by group 1. And then this is Japanese question related to Japanese food survey. And also the grammatical patterns. So in this reading text, we have schematic structure. We have headline. Headline must be eye-catching title, and then summary of events, summary recount of a newsworthy event, background event, elaboration of what happened, to whom, in what circumstances, and the sources. Sources, it's related to comments by participant or authorities on the subject. So in these significant grammatical patterns, we have to use of short telegraphic information about story, verb action to retell the story, use of verb of thinkings and feeling to give an insight into the participant, reaction to event, verbs of saying to quote or report what participant and authorities said, focus on circumstances of time and place, and focus on specific participants. And for the activity 2 is try to find article about Japanese food based on your interview finding. Okay, now I will share screen about PPT group 1. Are you ready? Yes, you can mute, unmute ya. You can present. Group 1 consists of Maisy Sima Pertiwi, Ayesa Kwena Rovera, and Salma Ayu Nurifah ya. Oke, silakan.
Oke. Mem bisa dibantu untuk share screen dari grup mana akan di PPT lewat WA.
Oke, I will share. Yes. Silakan.
Dan Mem ada di WA. Belum. Lagi loading.
Ya, mungkin perwakilan dari grup 1. You can start the presentation.
Sudah saya kirim, Mem.
Yes, silakan. Dibaca
Dari
aja
nomor
ya.
1 sampai yang oh iya.
Langsung dibaca. Oke.
Ini sih.
United Nations food
Okay, so traditional cuisine from Japan
business the fun cuisines from Japan. Yeah.
will be included in the list of important world food by UNESCO and see the explanation below this. Oke, silakan dibaca. So the United Nations is going to put traditional Japanese food ya on its list of important world cuisines. Yeah, so I will help you to read ya because suaranya putus-putus, so I will help group 1 to present the first slide about activity 1. So I will reread the sentence, the text. So the United Nations is going to put
Traditional
Japanese food and then on its list of important world cuisines, and then it will be the 5th time for UNESCO to give a country's origin's food its cultural heritage status. And then French, Mediterranean, Mexican, and Turkish food are already on the list. Traditional Japanese food is called wasoku, I'm sorry. It is very famous for its variety. It ranges from sushi is kind of raw fish on rice, to ramen noodles, tempura, and sukiyaki. And then Japanese Agency for Cultural Affairs said it wants to put all of its food on the list, not just 1 or 2 famous dishes. The agency said Japanese food is special because of its artistic presentation. It also uses unique ingredients. Many dishes are important because they celebrated the 4 seasons. Okay, and then for the advance, Wosoku is very healthy and has a good balance, mineral, vitamins, carbohydrates, and protein. It is one of the reasons why Japanese people live for so long. It also helps to keep obesity levels low. The cuisine is also important as different meals throughout the year help to bring families and communities together. Food plays an important role in many ceremonies that mark seasonal traditions. The menu for New Year celebrations, rice planting events, and harvest festivals are all very different. Japan's government said food helps Japanese people keep a strong sense of culture. It also said It is also said wasoku is closely associated with an essential spirit of respect for nature. Yeah, this is activity 1 has done. Okay, for the Japanese food survey, someone can help me to read? Dari group 1, from group 1.
Okay. I will read the Japanese food survey, ma'am.
Yes.
So question number 1, do you think raw food served in Japanese food is okay to eat? Explain why. So we do the research and we got student number 1. He or she said that's okay if the food was sterile from any bacteria or virus. And we do the research and we got student number 2. He or she said, I think raw food is safe to eat if it is guaranteed to be of good quality. However, if the quality is not guaranteed, then the food is not suitable for consumption. So,
Second question.
The second question is, do you have a favorite Japanese food? What is it and explain why? We got study number 1. They said Japanese cheesecake, so soft and yummy. However, student number 2 said, my favorite food from Japan is ramen, because ramen has a unique taste that cannot be found in Indonesian food, and also ramen has various types.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Next, number 3. Question number 3.
Okay, question number 3. If you were asked to choose between Japanese and Western food, which would you choose? What is the reason? Student number 1 said, if you talk about appetizer, dessert, and side dish, I'll choose Japanese. But if you ask about main course, I'll choose Western. Student number 2 said, I will choose food from Japan because food from Japan has a unique taste and artistic presentation. The food from Japan is also original and has a different taste from the typical food of other countries. That's
Yeah.
number 3. And we got number 4. We asked a question about what Japanese food do you often find in Indonesia? They said takoyaki, that's a lot in here. The other said Japanese food that are easily found in Indonesian was takoyaki and ramen. Were takoyaki and ramen, I mean.
And the last question.
And the last question was, do you have any trouble for using chopstick more often when eating Japanese food? They said like not at all. And the other said, I don't have any difficulty when using chopstick to eat Japanese food because I'm used to using chopstick and most Japanese food has been made to be easy to eat using chopstick. That's all the question and we do the research.
Okay, that's good. And this is the newspaper article. Who will read the article?
Yeah. Thank you.
Ya, thank you for Ayesa. Next, siapa lagi anggotanya?
Coba ya.
Okay, Macy.
The reason why Japanese food is liked by many Indonesian people. Japanese has natural resources that can provide sufficient food, both from the mountains, sea, and rivers. The 4 seasons. It has also contributed to the diversity of natural products, which provide a variety of colors in the food. The seriousness of producing quality food. The use of unique food processing techniques to artistic presentation makes Japanese food a strong identity among traditional foods from other countries in the world. In its development, Japanese food openly received influence from abroad. Japan is able to pour cultural colors on its food and make Japanese food as a soft diplomacy of the country that is easily accepted by the international world.
Yes, okay, next. You can continue.
Right? Okay. Japanese food such as sushi, ramen, onigiri, takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and many more can easily be found in our country. Although there are many kinds of Japanese food that looking so delicious, everyone always has their favorite one. After asking some people, we know now that most of their favorite Japanese food is ramen, because ramen has a unique taste that can't be found in Indonesian food. Ramen also has various types. Between Japanese and Western food, most people say they are preferring Japanese food because it has a unique taste and artistic presentation. The food from Japan is also original and has a different taste from the typical food of other countries.
And the last 2 paragraphs.
Okay, the last paragraph was talking about Japanese food. There's a perception that Indonesian people have about the raw food served in Japanese food. Either it's okay to be eaten or not. Some people think that raw food is safe to eat if it's guaranteed to be good quality and sterilized from any bacteria and virus. However, if the quality is not guaranteed, then the food is not suitable for consumption. Last but not least, most of Indonesian people could use chopstick without any problem when using it. The point of Japanese food in Indonesian is very unique and there are many perspectives from everyone to think about. So we have to accept other cultures and respect what they have.
Ya, other cultures ya. Oke.
cultures.
Oke, thank you.
Thank you for listening. And that's all from group 1.
Okay, that's very good one. Okay, now we have next next unit ya. So sebentar, I will check unit 2. Okay, I will share screen about unit 2. Kemarin we talk about number of children in Japan at record low. Who wants to try to read? Muhammad Ari, siapa ini? Oke. Atau siapa yang mau coba? So predicting ya, we have predicting. So look at the headline. So we start unit 2 with Japan's birth rate. So the skill we have is reading skills. And the warming up activity is try to predict atau predicting by looking at the headlines of the article below. What do you think about the article about, and read the article quickly. Yeah. Okay, so someone can help me to read the first paragraph. Sebelum grup 2. Grup 2 sudah mengumpulkan.
Warms up.
Yes. Ya, silakan.
Number 1.
Amaranggana. Ya, atau siapa? Ini suaranya siapa?
Nabil Muammar Rumata, Bu.
Oh ya, Nabil, silakan.
Number 1, predicting. A. Look at the headlines of the articles below. What do you think the articles tell about? I think the article below talks about the low number of children in Japan and about how the Japanese government is dealing with the problem.
And then number 2, try to read the first paragraph. Ya,
Number
coba
2.
dibaca. Yes. Number 2 jawabannya apa? Ini ya. Using background knowledge, circle the best word italic for having children in Indonesia.
A. More people today wants to have children.
Okay, that's good. Number B.
B.
Point B.
People are getting ignorant to have children.
Okay, and then
C.
point C.
In the future,
In the future,
many people will have children.
yeah, in the future, many people will have children. Okay, can you help me to read the first paragraph? Number of children in Japan at record low.
Yes.
Bisa ya? Oke, silakan.
Number of children in Japan at record low. The number of children in Japan aged 14 and under is the lowest ever. Japan's Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications released figures yesterday, just before the country's Children's Day national holiday on May the 5th. The figures show that the number of children in Japan fell by
160,000.
160,000 from the previous year. It is the 33rd year in a row for the birth rate to decrease. There are 13 million fewer children in Japan today than there were in 1950. The ministry said that out of 30 countries with a population of over 40 million, Japan has the smallest percentage of kids. Children make up 12.8% of Japan's population. In France, the figure is 18.5%, and in the United States, it is 19.5%.
Okay, that's very good, Nabil. Nabil from group berapa? What group?
Group 2.
Okay, good. Group 2 ya. Okay, so
Yes.
okay, that's very good. Okay, next paragraph 2. Siapa yang mau baca? Who wants to read?
Semua ya?
Siapa? Muhammad Arif? Silakan. Yes, ya. Atau siapa? Saya nggak terlihat ininya ya. Yang raise hand siapa?
Me.
Ya. Can you mention your name and read the paragraph 2?
My name is Muhammad Farel Ardiansyah, and I'm
Oh
going
ya,
to read
Muhammad Ardiansyah.
the
Oke.
second text.
Yes,
Japanese
silakan.
government to play matchmaker. Oh, I'm sorry. Paragraph 2. While the number of children in Japan is going down, the number of old people is increasing. The over 65s now make up a record 25.6% of Japanese population. The government has warned that this trend will continue for decades to come. It says the proportion of people aged 65 of over could reach nearly 40% in 2060. This will make life in Japan almost impossible for young working people. They will have to pay much higher taxes to support over 65s. The Japanese economies will also be in big trouble because there will be enough young people to work. Japanese government has tried many things to get people to have more baby, but nothing seems to be working.
Okay, next. The last two paragraphs. How Japanese government to play matchmaker. Wants to maybe siapa? Farel, can you continue?
Okay, ma'am. Japanese government to play matchmaker. Japanese government is playing Cupid to get more couples to have baby. Japanese has one of the lowest birth rates in world. It is trying new ways to get more people to have children. One of this is matchmaking. Japan will support local government project for speed dating, matchmaking, and other ways to coax couples to get together. There will be big effort over next 5 years to fix this critical situation. Japan could face a serious social problem. One reason for Japan's falling birth rate is the cost of having children. The government hopes it can help with this. This includes plan for free nurses, help with fertility treatment, and taking paternity leave to 80% by 2020. There are also plans to help families with 3 or more children by 2016.
2060.
By 2060, nearly 40% of people in Japan will be over 65. They already make up 25%. The birth rate fell from 4.554 children per mother in 1947 to just 1.42 in 2014.
Yeah, that's very good. So we have done the Japanese government to play matchmaker. Okay, now group 2, are you ready for atau yang lain maybe can help to find the meaning of this word on your dictionary? Oke, kita langsung jawab bersama ya. What is the meaning of figures? Figures means Atau grup 2 sudah kirim ini
Sudah,
PPT-nya?
Ma'am. Sudah saya kirim di grup.
Oke, I will
PowerPoint-nya
check.
dari Google Slide.
Oke, so I will check ya. I will download dulu. Or maybe Farel become host saja ya. Hey, I'm sorry. Bentar saya cek dulu WA-nya. Saya stop share dulu. Bentar ya, saya cek dulu. Okay, can you see the slide? Saya slideshow. Okay, now this is about predicting ya. So maybe Muhammad Farel, can you repeat? How do you explain the slide?
So we gonna explain predicting and the second using background knowledge, but this is sorry. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, we can listen to your voice.
So the first question is predicting and second question is using background knowledge, but we already
Done ya, already done the
already done.
part 1
So,
and 2, and then part
yes.
3 and 4.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
we gonna
Ini tadi sudah
answer the
dibaca.
glossary.
Yeah. Okay, now glossary. Can you start to explain? So the word figures, yeah. What include in figures? If we talk about figures, we will refers to apa? Statistic, number,
Integer, quantity, and level.
Okay, and then number 2 is about birth rate.
Birth rate similar to fertility rate, and natality. Number 3, matchmaker. Matchmaker similar to marriage broker.
Marriage broker, and then
Dating agency and panda.
okay, and then
Number 4, population is similar to inhabitants, people, resident, and citizens. Number 5, trends, similar to tendency, movement, swing. Number 6, proportion, similar to part, portion, amount, and quantity. Number 7, record is similar to documentation, data, information, and track record. Number 8, cost. Cost is similar to fetch, come to, set someone back, and price. Number 6, cox. Cox is similar to persuade, wheedle, and cajole. Number 10, matchmaking. Matchmaking is similar to Cupid, Pixar, and Panda.
Okay, that's good. Next, responding to the text.
Siapa Mas?
Saya, Mem.
Yes, silakan.
Responding to the text, in point A, the question is, what springs to mind when you hear the word children? Children is God's gift that must be guarded and cared for. B point, how important are children to a country? This is very important because children are candidates for the nation's successors who can lead the nation in a better direction.
Point
C,
A.
what do you think of the record low number of children in Japan? We think with the low number of children in Japan, the futures of Japan will be threatened because of the small numbers of productive people.
Okay, next.
Point D, what problems are with aging populations? The more aging, the fewer the number of productive youth, so that there will be fewer productive human resource. E point, what kind of trouble might the Japanese economy be in? Like the trouble
Answer.
is lack of youth who will work. F, what do you think the government should do to have more babies in Japan? Japanese government is playing stupid to get more couples to have babies.
Okay, next.
Key point, how can a country survive if it is full people of all people? There is 5 points. Number 1, design a strategy to support a healthy aging population. Next, strengthen the healthcare sector. Next, again, support caregivers, modernize insurance and pension systems. And the last one is prepare the workforce. 8 point, what are the advantages of an aging population? Societal aging can affect economic growth, patterns of work and retirement, the way that families function, the ability of governments and communities to provide adequate resource for older adults, and the prevalence of chronic disease and disability. The last one.
I will answer. Continue the outcome.
Yeah, part I. Point I.
What's the best number of children for a couple to have? Nearly half of adults consider two to be the ideal number of children, according to Gallup polls, with 3 as the next most popular option, preferred by 26%. G.
Okay.
J.
C-nya belum masuk ya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you
Is
can
it too
explain.
expensive to have more than a few children? Yes. because raising a child costs about $250,000 yen, and that is if they don't have any special educational or medical needs. Each child also represents a gap in the mother's earning and an interruption to her career advancement that not all families can afford.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for group 2. So I will stop there.